Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these super cute paper quilling critters fridge magnets. So I have created in three different variations like sheep, chick and frog. They are looking super duper cute, isn't it? And you can decorate your fridge or metal almirah using these. So let's get started. First I'm starting with making the sheep magnet and I'm taking 6 strips of pink colored 3mm and making one big tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So tight coil is ready. Now I will show you how to make these kind of curly coils. So I'm taking half strip of white color and using crimper machine I'm just crimping my strip like this and then making one coil. Now I'm taking one white color paper circle and sticking my coil on top of this. So in this way we need total 4 coils. These 2 coils are made using 1/4 strip and this coil is made using 1 strip. The process is same. So these big size coils will be the hair part of the sheep and the small one will come on top of the face. Now I will just join here like this in the front on the face and then I will add the bottom hairs. Like this. Then to make ears I am taking half strip of black color and making one bended teardrop shape. Using my tool I am just bending it nicely and then I have already prepared one more ear, so I am just connecting both the ears first. For the eyes I have just cut black colored circles using punch hole machine. So I'm sticking the eyes. Then to make the leg hangings I'm taking this baker's twine in pink color. First making one knot in the top. Like this. Then passing one pearl bead through this. Then one wooden bead in pink color. Then again one pearl bead. And then to lock this pearl I am making one more knot here. Like this, just cut the excess twine from the bottom and the hanging is done. In the same way I have prepared one more. Now I'm just making both the hangings in the same length. So just cutting the excess thread from other hanging. And now I'm sticking these hanging legs on backside of the sheep using glue. And to secure this nicely, I am connecting one white color paper circle from back like this. Isn't it looking super cute? And now at the end I am adding one magnet using B6000 glue on backside. Allow it to dry completely and your super duper cute sheep magnet is ready. Now I am proceeding to the cheek one. So I have already prepared this tight coil using 12 strips of yellow color 3mm. I have just pinched little bit on both the sides to make an oval shape. And then I am sticking the wings. For this I am taking half strip of yellow color 3mm and making one bended leaf shape. So I am going to connect the wings on both the sides. Then taking 3mm white color strip and just dividing it from the center and making one tight coil for the eyes. And inside this I am adding one black color paper circle which I cut using punch machine. Now to make beak I am taking half strip of dark orange color 3mm and making one small cone shape. Sticking the beak, just add glue inside the cone and then stick it. Like this. Now to make small hairs on top I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color 3mm, making one leaf shape, and I am going to join total 3 leaf shapes with each other. And then I am sticking the hairs on top of the face. Then on back side I am attaching the hanging legs just like we created before. I have used yellow color baker's twine and yellow bead. And then to cover this I am attaching one white paper circle. And the chick magnet is also ready. Very pretty. Now just for the finishing I am attaching one magnet using the same B6000 glue, and this is done. Then I am proceeding to the frog magnet, and I have created this tight curl using 12 strips of dark green color 3 mm. Again, I have pinched on both the sides to make tight leaf shape. Then to make hands, first I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color and 1/8 strip of light green color and making one teardrop shape. Here I am making the fingers. Then I am joining these kind of teardrops with each other and making the bunch of fingers. Then to make hands, I am taking one strip of dark green color 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. Attaching fingers with hand like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more already. So I'm sticking the hands on both sides of the face. Then here I have already prepared eyes just like we created for the cheek. And for the mouth I have prepared this bended semicircle using one strip of red color. I have cut my 3 mm strip from center to make thin strip and then created this shape. Just wiping out the excess glue immediately. And allow it to dry. Then on back side I am again connecting the legs, which I have prepared using green color baker's twine and green wooden bead. And then again covering it with white paper circle and attaching the magnet. Like this. Then to protect it from dust and to make it more sturdy, I'm just applying paper quilling varnish by Craft Gully on each and every critter. Allow it to dry, and the super cute paper quilling critter fridge magnets are ready. They are looking super duper cute. I'm just in love with these cute critters, and that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.